Radiation is a process that cannot be seen nor can be felt. It is like an invisible work of nature that contaminates every life at its core form. This matter was first discovered by a scientist named Rontgen in 1895 while experimenting vacuum tubes with electricity, creating the first radioactive invention, X-ray. After that, many scientists became curious to explore about radiation, thus creating the study field called radiology. Radiation dictates invisible lights that contains highly volatile energy. In other words, it is the flow of natural or artificially produced particles that can scatter in all directions possible. It can pierce through almost any material and can react to it any organic or non-organic matter, making it one of the most hazardous incidents in the world. Today, more than 1 billion people are getting affected by radiation actively or inactively. Most common places where radiation exposure occurs is in nuclear treatment plant, nuclear reactor, nuclear waste disposal field, medical radiation technologies and more. Modern electronics instruments like cell phone taps, laptops, microwaves, oven, etc. uses new technologies that emit radiation while operating. This creates small but long time span of radiation to human body and causes the most incurable diseases like cancers, tumors, etc. at the end. Radiation can change the genetic structure of human body. Back in 1945 at the Hiroshima-Nagasaki nuclear incident that not only caused thousands of lives but created a radiation field that made the land unlivable. The side areas got affected as well. The radiation disordered their genetical structure at a point that many people after the incident were born crippled, thus making an example of how devastating the result of immediate radiation. There is a theory which states that if Earth had no shielding against radiation exposure, life wouldn't be possible in Earth, cause instant gamma ray bursts from cosmos can wipe out all the living beings on Earth by creating highly condensed radiation over a short period of time. As human body can tolerate up to 0.003 Sievert is an unit that measures the danger level of radiation. This continuous level of exposure to radiation is fatal to a certain extent. Also, there is a cosmic radiation in which we are being exposed to radiation every day. Our Mother Earth is bombarded every day with radiation from sun and other structures of space that penetrates Earth's defense. Nature also suffers from radiation too. Rise of radiation exposure can cause abnormality among species and can even cause the extinction of rare breed animals. Radiation in winter or water can break the ecosystem of any kind of natural waterways, thus killing massive amount of aquatic beings in the process. Some medical devices like X-ray, CT scan, etc. can release up to 0.1 sieverts, which is very lethal dose for a human body per year, way higher than the average radiation a human can expose to and can cause serious diseases like allergy to radiation, brain tumor, cancer, etc. This shows the vulnerability of human body towards radiation as it can contaminate the whole body without giving a trace of error out towards the human body. There is no certain ways to purify this calamity, but there is ways to prevent radioactive pollution. Making technologies more compact and eco-friendly, which can reduce the impact of radiation, is greatly suggested. Moreover, people should stop clinging technology devices more often to prevent themselves from years of continuous radiation. Toxic radiation material waste should be kept within a secured waste disposal area that should be far away from human inhabitant. People who work in facilities that has minimum amount of radiation level should wear protective radioactive gears to ensure their safety. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.